Okay, so for this video, we are going to adjust the color of just the woman so that it matches the painting, right? So I put her in here on her own layer, right? We created a mask, and to block out. So any place that's white on the mask is places that are showing. Anything that's black, places that are not. So because these two people are blacked out, then the woman is standing behind it because that's the place that it is white, right? So we're not showing her what these people are, which makes it look like she's behind it. So we created a mask. So we're going to create a mask again. We're going to make a mask on this layer. We are going to select our subject. We're on the woman layer again. We're selecting our subject so we can get her selected. We are now going to go over to our adjustments. And we're going to choose color balance. And now, as you can see in the layers, there is a mask right here that's going to just color balance in the what is in the right here, right? So we're just going to color balance her. So I'm going to make sure we're on this layer right there. Go over here, go back over to our adjustments, go back to over our color balance, and notice we're just making her yellow, right? So just she's being turned yellow. We want that to happen, and then maybe a little bit more red. This doesn't stand out quite so much. The colors they're kind of reddy, yellowy, not a lot of blue. So we killed the blue in that one. Let's try getting rid of a little more green, maybe more magenta. There we go. Now she kind of blends in. All right, so we can go back over to our layers, and we can see that if we turn that on and off, that's just a layer for that color adjustment. And that color adjustment is just on her because we selected her specifically and said to make a color adjustment. That's a whole different layer now, just with the color balance of the woman. Okay, so I hope that helps.